How to pair and connect Bluetooth keyboard on Android phone or tablet. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, make sure your Bluetooth keyboard is turned on. After that, on your Android phone or your tablet, go to settings. Then go to connections. Go to Bluetooth. Turn it on and then your scan for your Bluetooth keyboard. You will find it over here. After that, all you have to do is tap on that Bluetooth, like, this is just an example, and it will pair automatically. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.